story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include remote start, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.